Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device has the latest OS build and free disk space. Once done, go straight to privacy settings and enable screen recording permissions for the app you plan to use. Close competing apps that hold the camera or microphone and turn off focus or do not disturb so notifications don't block the capture. This avoids common locks and permission conflicts. Do these now. Then proceed to configuring recording options and codecs for stability. Now configure the recording engine, choose the correct source, full screen, single window, or app-specific, to prevent black captures. Next, set frame rate and resolution. Drop to 30 FPS or 720p if performance is poor. Once that's set, pick the encoder. Use hardware/GPU encoding for lower CPU load, or CPU x264 at a medium preset if GPU isn't available. Also allocate a recording folder on a fast drive. These steps balance. Finish by running a short test recording and inspect both video and audio sync. If the test fails, review the app logs for permission or encoder errors, clear cache, and reinstall the recorder before retrying. Make sure output folder permissions allow writing. If problems persist, reboot the device and test in safe mode or a new user account to isolate system conflicts. This final troubleshooting step often reveals driver or extension issues, so try it. It's the quickest way to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.